Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be opening up a Mosaic and Absolute Football pack. Make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, let's get into this. So Eric, first of all, who do you think is better? Absolute Football or Mosaic Football?
Hold on.
I've never opened up Mosaic before, so this is my first time.
I think it's Mosaic.
But as you can see in the background here, we have a Devin Lloyd, I'm pretty sure that's how I say it, numbered rookie card. And we also have a Joey Bosa rookie card. No, not rookie. A numbered card. Numbered 84 out of 110 and 58 out of 199. First of all, let's get into it. Henrik, which one do you think we should do first?
Absolute.
Absolute Football's up first. Oops. So let's move this guy off.
We're starting the best for last.
Well, at least that's what he thinks. Okay, let's get into this pack. First of all, we got Trey Lance. We got Marquise Brown. Mac Jones.
He's Mac Jones.
Yeah, Matt Ryan. Justin Eckler or Austin Eckler. I'm pretty sure I said that right. I don't know if I did. Ooh, Stephon Diggs.
Ooh.
Ryan Tannehill. Patrick Mahomes II. Trey Lorraine. Jameis Winston. Oh, rookie cards. We have rookie cards. Okay, let's see. Let's see who we get. Kyle Phillips. Trey McBride. Snoop Connell. Channing Tindall. Oh. And we got Kayvon Cheobax. Okay, back to it. Who is that? James Connell. James Connell, okay. I'm pretty sure that's Dawson Knox. Yep, that is Dawson Knox. Yeah, Dawson Knox. Ooh, wait, hold on. Whoops, sorry, my bad. Who's this? Romeo Deboots, Green Bay rookie. Let's go. That is a good one. Last call. Zay Jones. Okay.
You have a hit.
Oh, wait, this is no hit. So it's a stargazing. Patrick Mahomes. Stargazing Patrick Mahomes. Henrik, give me a sleeve, please. And there's the code card. So first of all, this Patrick Mahomes card, it's pretty cool. I'm getting a sleeve for it right now. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, like or no. So like if you think Absolute's gonna win, subscribe if you think Mosaic is gonna win.
And comment if you think Owen is way too a fan of Green Bay.
Sure. Okay. Next up, we have this Mosaic. I've really never seen one of these before. I did get both of these products at Target. So, yes.
Nice cover.
So, here is the Mosaic card, 15 cards. Definitely less cards. But let's see what we get here.
I don't even know what the Mosaic cards look like.
Yes, this is so new to us. Okay, we got it. We got it opened. Okay, let's get into this. We'll right off rip. First of all, we have Jerry Jeudy for the Denver Broncos.
That's a good one.
Michael Pittman Jr. Ooh, Jamar Chase. Marshawn Lattimore. Justin Hobart. He's a good card. Yeah, definitely good. Tony Romero.
He's a good.
Jonathan Taylor. Oh, okay. This is the USA. Yeah, this is the USA full move, which is pretty cool.
Right.
Bo Melton rookie. Carson Strong rookie card. Oh, we have a mosaic. We have a hit. Cameron Thomas. Not numbered, but rookie card. We're going to see that at the end. Hold on. I think I just got Donovan McNabb.
I don't know who he is.
But no rookie. John Elway.
John Elway.
Super Bowl 33 MVP.
Okay, that's a hit.
This is definitely a hit, but we're not going to see it now. Richard Wright, rookie card. Okay. Bang. Steelers versus Browns. Okay. Nellie Harris. Okay. Cool. Ooh. Okay. A bang one of these guys.
And
I think that might be it, but the Raiders versus Browns, Derek Carr. And we have the code. Okay. So, first of all, we're going to do this. Henrik, can you organize them from Absolute in Mosaic? First of all, if you can like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video. Do it in 7 seconds. You ready? Here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. If you did that, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, well, if you did, please say who your favorite team is and who your favorite player is on that team. So first of all, for Absolute, actually no, Henrik. So organize it.
I'm gonna put this one for.
Hold on, no, Henrik, just organize these in like a big pile. So we have Jamar Chase, Jerry Jeudy, Tony Romo, Justin Hobart, Marshall Lattimore, Jonathan Taylor, Michael Pittman Jr., Richard Wright rookie, then we have Carson Strong rookie card, Bo Melton rookie, bang Derek Carr, bang whatever his name is, Devon Nickab, Cameron Thomas, and John Elway, definitely. So now we have the Absolute football cards. Whoops. So we have Marquise Brown, Trey Lance, Mac Jones, Matt Ryan. So if it's a little blowy, Austin Keckler, Stephon Diggs, Ryan Tannehill, Patrick Mahomes II, Trey McLaurin, James Winston, Kyle Phillips, Trey McBride, Snoop Connell, Channel Tyndall, Romero Daub, Kevon Theobax, James Connell, Dwanson Knox, and of course, we have Last Call Zay Jones and stargazing Patrick Mahomes. Who do you think won that battle, Mosaic or Absolute? That's all for today. Bye!